Hello, I just thought I should do this quick video and explain to you. Maybe you really need to see this. A lot of you are actually thinking, when I said we plan printing 23, they thought it's some magazine gimmicks, right? But it's not, okay? This is the 23 we printed. We just took delivery of them right now, and we're ready to send them out to people who registered for that training, the Ecom elevation training, but couldn't show up, like the plan that they were not going to come. So we're going to be sending them these 23 DVDs, as you can see, right? And then this is just the leftover, the 15 remaining, okay? And the one I've been telling you about, that if you're interested, you should get it. And I think right now about 6 or 7 slots are gone. That should leave us with about 8 or thereabouts, okay? And one good thing here is if you're getting it, you're getting basically everything the live attendees received. I mean, the bonuses, the links, everything I give them, like 15 different bonuses. I listed some of them on the website. I mean, the website where you get the DVDs, okay? So if you want to benefit from these, the link should be on the screen or below this video right now. Click on it and go get yours right now. And if you think it's some marketing gimmicks and you don't want to get it, no problem. We might be printing more. After all, it doesn't take us anything to print more. But believe me, we're going to be striping it of all the bonuses. So if you hope to get it some other time, yeah, you get it, just a DVD. All the bonuses will be gone by then. That is if the price remains what it is right now. So it's up to you. Link should be below this video or somewhere around. Click on it and boom, you are good to go. I think Ecom, show here, ecomtycoon.com /EEWDVD. ecomtycoon.com /EEWDVD. So that's it, guys. Hope to see you on the other side. Bye.